Staying healthy is important for everyone, especially as we age. Technology can help us do just that. It might seem intimidating at first, but accessing health information online is easier than you think. In the past, we relied on books, pamphlets, or appointments for health information. Now, a wealth of knowledge is available right at our fingertips. This easy access to reliable health resources empowers us to take charge of our health. We can learn about managing conditions, discover new wellness practices, and connect with others for support. Whether you're new to the internet or just want to enhance your digital health literacy, this guide is for you. Let's get started on your journey to better health with the power of online resources. Imagine having a library of health information available 24/7. You could research symptoms, learn about medications, or find healthy recipes, all from the comfort of your home. Websites, apps, and online communities offer a wealth of resources tailored to seniors. Need to schedule a doctor's appointment? Telehealth services make it possible to consult with healthcare professionals virtually. Managing medications, tracking fitness progress, and finding healthy recipes are all made easier with helpful apps. Navigating this digital landscape might seem overwhelming at first, but it's easier than you think. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. The internet is a treasure trove of health information, with websites dedicated to providing reliable and up-to-date medical knowledge. Reputable sources like the Mayo Clinic and WebMD offer comprehensive information on various health topics. Government websites such as the NIH and CDC are excellent resources for evidence-based health information. Utilize these resources to become an informed advocate for your health. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Technology has revolutionized how we access healthcare, making it easier to connect with professionals and find support. Telehealth services offer a convenient way to consult with doctors remotely. Online support groups and forums connect you with others who share similar health challenges. Many providers offer online portals for accessing medical records and scheduling appointments. Embrace these resources to enhance your healthcare experience and manage your well-being. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for seniors, and the internet offers a wealth of resources to support your fitness and nutrition goals. Numerous websites and apps provide fitness programs tailored specifically for older adults. These programs often include low-impact exercises, chair yoga, strength training routines, and balance exercises designed to improve mobility, flexibility, and overall fitness. Tracking your diet and making healthy food choices is made easier with online nutrition resources. Websites like ChooseMyPlate.gov offer dietary guidelines and meal planning tools to help you create balanced and nutritious meals. Many grocery stores now offer online ordering and delivery services, making it more convenient for seniors to access fresh and healthy foods without leaving their homes. By utilizing online resources and making informed choices, you can stay active, eat healthily, and enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle. With the abundance of information available online, it's essential to have a strategy for finding trustworthy health resources. Think of the internet as a vast library with countless books, articles, and websites. Just like you wouldn't pick a book randomly in a library, it's important to be selective with the online resources you choose. Start by using reputable search engines like Google or Bing. Websites ending in gov, government websites, or .edu, educational institutions, are generally considered reliable sources of information. Another valuable resource is your local library. Many libraries offer free access to online databases and resources that provide credible health information. As you explore different websites and resources, you'll develop a better understanding of what to look for and which sources you can trust. When it comes to health information, accuracy and credibility are paramount. Look for websites of well-established medical organizations. Government health agencies such as the NIH and CDC are excellent sources of reliable information. For senior-specific information, check AARP. Rely on these trusted sources for accurate, up-to-date information. Embrace these resources to enhance your healthcare experience. In the digital age, encountering misinformation is common, especially about health. Develop critical thinking to evaluate online information. Watch for sensationalized language or too good to be true claims. Check the author's credentials. Ensure the information is current. Consult your healthcare provider if in doubt. While the internet offers a wealth of health information, it's crucial to navigate this digital landscape with caution. Just like you take precautions in the physical world, it's essential to protect yourself from potential risks online. One of the most important safety tips is to be mindful of the websites you visit. Stick to reputable sources like government websites, established medical organizations, and educational institutions. Be cautious about clicking on links in emails or pop-up ads, especially if they seem suspicious or too good to be true. These links could lead to malicious websites that can harm your computer or steal your personal information. By following these simple precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of the internet while minimizing the risks. Not all health information online is created equal. Some websites may present inaccurate or misleading information, either intentionally or unintentionally. It's important to develop a discerning eye to identify red flags that may indicate unreliable sources. Be wary of websites that make extravagant claims or promise miracle cures. Legitimate medical information is typically presented in a balanced and objective manner, acknowledging both the benefits and limitations of treatments or therapies. Pay attention to the tone and language used on the website. Trustworthy sources strive to present information in a clear, concise, and unbiased way, avoiding hype or emotional manipulation. If a website doesn't provide any sources or relies on anecdotal evidence, it's best to be cautious. Protecting your personal information is crucial when using the internet. Be mindful of the information you share online, especially on health-related websites or forums. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information, such as your social security number, credit card details, or home address, unless you're on a secure and trusted website. Look for HTTPS in the website address and a padlock icon in the browser bar, which indicate a secure connection. Be cautious about creating accounts or profiles on health websites or apps unless you trust the source and understand their privacy policies. Read the privacy policy carefully to see how your information will be used and shared. By being vigilant and taking appropriate precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of online health resources while safeguarding your privacy. When you're seeking reliable health information, starting with trusted sources is essential. Two websites stand out as pillars of accurate and up-to-date medical knowledge: Mayo Clinic and WebMD. The Mayo Clinic website, renowned for its comprehensive medical information, offers a wealth of resources on various health topics. WebMD is another excellent resource for health information, providing a user-friendly platform to explore a wide range of medical topics. These websites are valuable resources for staying informed about your health, researching symptoms, and understanding treatment options. However, remember that online information should never replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized guidance and treatment plans. Staying active and connected is vital for overall well-being, especially as we age. Thankfully, the internet offers excellent resources to help seniors maintain an active lifestyle and foster social connections. Silver Sneakers is a fantastic program designed specifically for older adults, providing access to fitness classes, social activities, and wellness resources. With a Silver Sneakers membership, you can join a variety of fitness classes, from water aerobics to yoga, tailored to different fitness levels and abilities. The AARP online community is a vibrant online platform where seniors can connect, share experiences, and access valuable information on health, finance, travel, and more. Whether you're looking to improve your fitness, learn new skills, or connect with others who share your interests, the internet has something to offer everyone. Embrace these opportunities to stay active, engaged, and connected. Managing medications and tracking your health can sometimes feel overwhelming, but technology can simplify these tasks and empower you to take control of your well-being. Telehealth services such as Teladoc have revolutionized how we access healthcare, providing a convenient way to consult with healthcare professionals remotely. With Teladoc, you can schedule virtual appointments with doctors and specialists, discuss health concerns, and receive medical advice from the comfort of your home. Tracking your health has never been easier, thanks to health and fitness apps like MyFitnessPal. This popular app allows you to monitor your diet, track your exercise, and set personalized health goals. These online resources provide invaluable support for managing medications, tracking your health, and staying connected with healthcare professionals. Embrace these tools to take an active role in managing your well-being and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. As we've explored in this guide, the internet offers a wealth of resources for seniors to take charge of their health and well-being. From finding reliable medical information to connecting with healthcare professionals and support groups, the possibilities are vast. Remember to start with trusted sources like government websites, established medical organizations, and educational institutions. Don't be afraid to explore the different types of resources available, from comprehensive health websites to interactive fitness apps and online communities. The key is to find what works best for you and your individual needs. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance and to address any concerns. Embrace the digital age as a valuable tool to enhance your health literacy. Stay connected and live a healthier, more fulfilling life.